In a peaceful home filled with love and the remembrance of Allah, a gentle mother sat with her little daughter near the window.
Assalamu
Soft
alaikum.
sunlight touched their faces, and a cool breeze carried the sound of birds
Bismillahir
praising Allah.
Rahim.
Mother, my dear daughter, today I want to teach you something very special.
Qul Huwa
A gift from
Allahu
Allah,
Ahad.
a surah full of light and protection. It is Surah Ikhlas. Daughter, Mama, what does Surah Ikhlas mean? Mother, my sweet child, Surah Ikhlas teaches us who Allah truly is. When we recite it with love, Allah surrounds us with mercy. Listen carefully. Mother recites,
Assalamu
Qul Huwa
alaikum.
Allahu Ahad, Allahu Samad,
Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.
Walam yakun lahu kufuwan ahad. Daughter, Mama, it sounds so beautiful. What does it
Qul
mean?
Huwa Allahu Ahad.
Mother, it means, say Allah is one. Allah is eternal and perfect. He has no children, and He was not born. And there is no one like Him.